Wow! Ang ganda naman.
You see, this is a veranda. I'll show you. That's in the camera. There you
Wow!
go.
Oh my God! That's beautiful.
And there's also a swimming pool down there, down below. See? The pretty
Nice.
amount it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah? It's so relaxing here. I
Nice.
sit out here and here. There we are having a beautiful,
Wow!
beautiful meal.
Busy, busy. Hi, ate!
Ate, she said hi. Inday. Oo. Punta ka na dito. Tinan mo.
I know. Enjoy na enjoy.
Yeah. See, so, kasama ka pa rin talaga. Kasama ka sa aming
Kasama rin ako.
travel.
Yes.
Kahit saan magpunta, kasama ka pa rin.
Kasama kahit saan.
Kahit saan, kahit kailan. O, diba?
Kahit kailan.
Kaya pakihawakan na lang yan. Papunta ako doon. Nakikita niya. Naka-record kasi yan. Yeah, see? See? Can you see behind me? Can you see the view?
Yeah.
So pretty. Yeah. You see, so pretty.
Ganda. Yung recording ko ha, huwag mo kalimutan.
Nag-record mo na to. Okay na?
Okay. Okay na, ang ganda. Thank you.
Sige, record na kita.
Thank you. The Amalfi Coast. I'll be there one day. One day, I'll be there.
Pupunta pa kami ng Positano. Hindi pa ito nagtatapos.
Oo.
Mamaya mas maganda doon, okay? Mas maganda doon, kaya mamaya pa.
Oh, sige.
Hindi pa ito nagtatapos.
Hindi pa nagtatapos ang adventure nila.
Hindi pa nagtatapos ang
Of course.
susunod na kabanata. Okay, I'll speak to you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.